How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Apex Legends crashing or freezing on your computer. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you close background applications on your computer because it can actually drain out resources from your computer, enabling to run Apex Legends smoothly. Right after, you can head over to your browser, and then depending on your graphics card brand, you could simply search for something like NVIDIA drivers. Of course, there's going to be something like the AMD drivers and Intel drivers. You could just search for your respective GPU brands. In my case, I'm going to be heading over to the official graphics card drivers for NVIDIA. Look at your model, and then you can just make sure that your graphics card is updated to the latest version so that it won't crash the latest applications, including Apex Legends. Right after, let's head over to our Steam. And then what you want to do is to just right click on the Apex Legends itself. In my case, I'm going to use the Project Zomboid as an example. Click Properties, navigate through the installed files. Then you just want to click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will then check all of the installed files on your computer, making sure that it is not corrupted or missing any files that's causing the problem itself. And so basically from there, you will be able to fix the problem itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.